we are. We're here. Good evening. Coming in. How cozy.
Needs a little bit of organization yet.
Is it?
Yeah, yes.
Quite the closet, Linda.
It's the spring, summer, fall, winter collection.
Now we got
RV style.
we got them all in there. Jackets. We got everything in there, don't we?
Yes, we have a nice closet. We have a closet.
All right.
There's my bananas, veggie, creamers.
Charge station. Stove's underneath there. Rarely use it.
Oh, that's not true.
We can.
We use it
We do.
when we're not using our
Sink.
freeze-dried foods.
Very
But
nice.
sometimes freeze-dried is just
Dad's
too
all
fun.
made up. How about some light? Let's have light. Pretty well set up. There's our so-called recliner, and then we use this cooler for a foot rest because they don't recline. The back goes down. This is where I do my work. The laptop plugged in and sitting in the driver's reclined position. So, very nice. Settled in. Oop, pump on for water. And we're good. We're good. We're good.